So having facilitated an open space meeting here in Costa Rica on Saturday, this was an open space meeting for about 4 hours, attended by I think approximately 65 participants from diverse backgrounds. Towards the end, the sense that I got that people felt very satisfied because they got to build the agenda. They were not stuck about one topic. They had the freedom to choose. So that was one, they felt very empowered. They felt, there were many moments of surprise for them that, oh, there is something like this, a process like this, which can be done with a lot of ease, and we can discuss any topic of interest. So that was an aha moment for me when people walked up to me in the closing and shared that this is a brilliant way of convening and gathering people. Another aspect is that the book of proceeding that is produced within a couple of days of completion of an open space meeting, that document itself is very rich in terms of data and ideas, and anybody can pick that up. So when some of the participants came to know that they will be getting this kind of a document within a few days of completion of the meeting, they were really happy that they have not come across any meeting where they get the so-called report within a week. They said it takes a couple of months for us to get the report, and when the report comes, it is edited, and not everybody's views are expressed in that. Mostly organizers change it, but here is a process which guarantees a deliverable that will come to us very soon, which will have our ideas. What we discuss, that will come. So these were some things which I found very satisfying in terms of how participants felt and how they shared their aha moments about the whole process. So I think going forward, especially in this part of the world, if more and more spaces are convened and workshops are convened using open space as a method, it can really empower people, and it can be a very efficient way of getting results and getting not only outputs but outcomes also, which are much more than what we can deliver as output.